'tis the season for ugly Christmas sweaters. We're going to show you how to make one from home with a fun activity the whole family can enjoy. All right, later in the show, want to impress your friends and your family with the ugliest Christmas sweater of the season? We've got some DIY tips for getting in the holiday spirit. Well, Christmas is just a few days away. I can't even believe it. And if you want to dress even more festive for the occasion, or if you're looking for a fun activity with your kids, Carrie Quigley, author of Fashion Design for Kids and founder of the fashion class in NYC, is here to help. Carrie, thanks so much for helping me make an ugly Christmas sweater this year.
Hello, hello. I am so excited to do this with you because I hear you're crafty.
I love getting crafty. I love DIY.
Good, good, good.
So let me just ask, what's the key to an ugly Christmas sweater? What's the key to getting it right?
Sure. So there's really no key. You want to make it according to your style, your own personal style. So what's great about these is everything we're doing today is removable.
Okay, great.
So you can make it glitz and glam, tacky, funny, whatever you'd like. Remove everything and then change it up next year.
So this is the tool we have to have,
Yes.
right? And I don't know how to use this.
This is a micro stitch tool.
Okay.
You can actually hem your pants with these.
Really? Oh, I need to get one.
So what it does is, and I have some cute little Christmas trees for us to attach to our sweaters.
Yeah.
These are made of faux leather sheets. You can also use felt. So if you want to do this inexpensively or with kids, felt is 50 cents a sheet. But we're going to put this on the sweater where you'd like, and we're going to use our little micro stitch tool, and you're just going to poke the front of that through your piece of fabric and through the front of the sweater. So the point comes through, and then pull the little button trigger, and it'll attach a little plastic tab.
Oh yeah, that's so easy.
And you just go around the entire outside of your decoration, whatever you have. It could be any, a wreath, any kind of shape.
Wait, and this will come off really easily?
So when you're done with your sweater, you just cut the little plastic tabs off.
Yeah.
You have your sweater back.
I love that. You have a lot of great tutorials on Instagram too. What are some good items to use?
Sure, absolutely.
How to make sweaters.
You can upcycle and use a sweater you have, which I love. And then I also have some tiny little ornaments. You can use ornaments that you have at home. You can buy these on Amazon.
These are so cute.
Aren't these cute? I have tiny ornaments, and then I have little light ones. And the way I attach these, just with safety pins.
Oh yeah.
So everything's removable. So I have these little fun, colorful safety pins. You can use regular safety pins at home, but you just attach these through the back. And you can attach them to your sweater that way. As many as you'd like. They give some really fun movement. So I made these cute little charms. These are just Christmas charms, and I attached a pin back. So you can just attach and do as much as you want. I have some fun Christmas bows.
Very cute.
Again, you can make that your tree topper.
I love that as a tree topper. You also had the fashion class in NYC too. So what do you have going on over there?
I do. So at the fashion class, anyone can come to me and craft and learn how to sew their own clothing on sewing machines.
That's so amazing.
We work with toddlers through adults, and we're on the Upper East Side, soon to be Upper West Side, and we're now franchising.
I love that's such a great activity to do, for a parent and a child to do that together, because it's also a skill that you can have for the rest of your life.
It is.
It's really good to know how to sew things.
Yes, and it's screen-free edutainment.
Edutainment.
And it's a great winter activity too, as we get into the colder months.
It is. Did you always know that something was going to be, the sewing was going to be part of your career?
Sure. Yeah, my grandma taught me when I was 8 years old. We sewed a pair of gloves together. I do not recommend as a first sewing project, but I always loved it. Went to Parsons. I wrote my book, Fashion Design for Kids, because I just love it so much, and I really love sharing that creative passion.
I feel like the first thing you should make is a scarf. I think that's as far as I ever got.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
No turns. But we have a couple of finished sweaters too.
Yes, yes. So I have this one with my beautiful lights, and I recommend using these fairy lights. I'm just going to show you real quick because it's very thin wire, and you can literally just weave it through the holes in your sweater, and everything will light up. Yeah, you'll definitely win a holiday sweater contest with these lights that can blink.
Yes.
Some big Christmas bows, lots of fun and sparkle.
I feel like the bigger the better. The more stuff you can put on this, the better it's going to be. And if you want tutorials on how to make your own ugly Christmas sweater, as well as all the other fun things to do at the fashion class, visit their Instagram or pick up Carrie's book. Happy holidays. So good to have you here.
Thank you so much.
We'll be right back. I'm going to keep working on my sweater. This is super cute,
Isn't it fun?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think my thing ran out of
you got to just
little things.